Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Wildan. This time, I will want to invite all my friends to discuss quick basic counseling material. The material is the effect of psychology contact between counselor and the client in the counseling process on the success of solving problem. Counseling process on the success of solving problem experienced by client. So friend, can all learn a little from a meeting this time? Enjoy the video. The counseling process in the process of assistance provided by professional to individual and group in the development of daily effective life and handling of disrupt daily effective live with a focus on independent personality who are able to control themselves through various people of service and supporting active organisms in the learning process. Will the professional person who carry out the counseling process is called a counselor. Therefore, the counselor is the person in the charge of providing guidance and counseling service. In carrying out the learning process based on the development of case and handling case in the field of individual behavior, social skill, learning ability, and career direction in certain educational institution. Therefore, a counselor must build a good relationship with the client so that the client believes in what is being conveyed by the counselor in the counseling process. If the counselor succeeds in building a good relationship with the client, it will bring up sense of psychological contact between the counselor and the client in the counseling process. The psychological contact in question is that the counselor feel what the client is feeling. As for the form of psychology contact, is the counselor accept the client as he is and bring up the essence of empathy for what is being felt by the client. Therefore, in the counseling process, a counselor should establish a good relationship with the client, making it easier to solve the problem felt by the client. If the client has trust in the counselor in the counseling process so as to bring up a sense of psychological contact between the counselor and the client. The psychological contact is the question can only be created if the counseling condition is hypnotic state where there are no critical condition in the client's area. In this case, the client accepts one and agrees with condition that the counselor creates. For the implementation of successful counseling process in solving the problem experienced by the client, one of which is psychological contact, and form of psychological contact is the counselor accept and raise a sense of empathy for the problem being experienced by the client. The definition of empathy is visualize a scenario from the perspective of another person. But empathy is not just imagining but internalizing the feeling of other. Empathizing means presupposing ourselves as other individual that we can empathize with other. Conclusion: in the counseling process, the counselor should build a trusting relationship with the client to make them feel accept, open, and feel that they have come to the right person in alleviating problem through the counseling process. Therefore, at the time of alleviating the client problem, the counselor should have psychological contact with the client. In the sense of the counselor feel what the client is feeling. This will create a sense of empathy for the client. With this, it will facilitate the alleviation of the problem experienced by the client. Thank you for watching.